dog in me still waits for the dog days. My heart is froze from the cold shoulder anyway. A dream realized, now I have the price to pay. Unbridled rage, wedlock, still unfazed. In pursuit of the ultimate truth, perhaps faltered. Who's gonna end up confused and die a martyr? Came upon this great nation in a flying saucer. I would hate to stray away from my stacked roster. Deep in the bowels of lust, we stay scheming. You know, for most actions I do, there's a reason. I am the king of storytelling in the long term. The end of everything upon a lengthy converse. I have 2 months to finish writing it, and then I start a new one. The past 5 years have been going strong. I might relate to those emotive songs. Now my plan is clear, I must steer towards a different direction. I don't aim for unity, but to get it off my chest and reconcile my feelings and my people. Once May is here, it's unnecessary to move the needle, effectively closing a chapter of my life. Who knows if habits of the old romantic are hard to kill? Gotta resolve the strife. I speak with measured mind, in intention diplomatic. Combine the left brain's logic with the right brain's vivid magic. Another day, another reason to fuel my ire. Intuitive weakness dies at a funeral pyre. And if you know, I will make sure we know together. No web of deception, pressure stacking unopened letters. My blissful disposition I obtained in COVID's banner. Educate myself the futility of the soul endeavor. Punch me once more, do you keep score? This fury takes obligatory detours, or I blow up like C4. I drop a nuke to fight fair. American Prometheus to an American nightmare, but story is a buzzword. I'm from the school of world champions, 1,000 days and counting that I once heard. I write this chronicle until then it turns to rubbish. The most incriminating art I hope I'll never publish. I hold my most sacred values to an immense, even ridiculous standard. What have I done?